Are you enjoying Protective Diet Education's lifestyle recipes? I'm excited to introduce our newest lifestyle recipe, Protective Polishing Hand Cleanser. Oiled or soiled, mechanics and farmers clean up pretty with this protective, perfume-free polishing paste. Our 100% natural exfoliating oil-based cleanser cleans up while maintaining our protective microbiome population. Organic oil-based soap gently and effectively removes oil and organic matter faster than commercial products. Dissolvable clay exfoliant smooths cracks and extracts stains. Shea butter or coconut oil leaves the skin supple and protected for your next project. Keep a jar in the kitchen to polish away the purple anthocyanin stains after hand packing ruby red sauerkraut. Keep a jar in the bathroom to wash away the garden grime and garage grease. This cleanser effectively transforms my hands from farmer to food photo ready with a complimentary aromatherapy treatment. Please comment below if you enjoy this or other Protective Diet lifestyle products as much as Jerry and I do.